Why doesn't it work anymore?
Over here, Neil Ray. Sons of bitches. Ah! One on the ceiling. Like, where do they come from? To be replaced by the stink bugs. Alright. Remember how spastic I got? Remember I'd be like, the stink bugs, now I'm going to give them off. Where do they come from?
They lay eggs.
Yeah.
Give birth.
They lay eggs and give birth. Well, we gotta find the mother of all egg layers. Still competing. Oh, and then get this. The fruit, get this. Oh, so scary. Get rid of this. This is what the nectarines are doing, okay? They don't ripen, they just turn, they go from hard as a rock, and then the next morning come down, and they're completely brown, swollen, and one giant-ass bruise, and then they have moths flying around them. It's crazy.
It's your fruit.
What the hell? See? It's starting. It's like, it's not even ripe yet, it's still hard, but it's already, it rots before it ripens. And that, to me, is ass backwards. Oh, see? There you go. This is my point. Feel that. See, it never even ripened. But
No.
Look, it's like oogie woogie woogie. It goes
It's
right to...
mushy.
It goes from hard as a rock to total mush. On the end, it's just a big freaking bruise. Oh, yay, we're good. It doesn't even hail up. It's smart. Yours needs 400, mine needs 200. Yeah, so they're garbage. You can't eat them. You cannot eat them. Woo! Okay, I think our thingies take about the same time. Only
8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, but yours didn't boil yet, because I got the Mega Burger. Maybe I should switch burners. So anyway, you got your fruit moth, and then you got your flower moth. And we got them both. We've left them both. We're under attack. Squeaky should eat them. Oh, okay, so it's 7:23. Can you believe it's 7:23? We haven't even eaten dinner yet. Oy. Oy, 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 oy. Grant Valley, we don't need it.